Hi and welcome to Very Okay. Today, we're diving into an exciting DIY project, making your own toothpaste. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you not only how to craft your toothpaste, but also explain the benefits of each ingredient we're using. Our homemade toothpaste is specially formulated to be rich in minerals and includes coconut oil, known for its antibacterial properties. These ingredients are fantastic for helping to prevent tooth decay and promoting overall oral health. Using ingredients like sea salt, essential oils, and bentonite clay, we'll create a toothpaste that not only cleans effectively but also provides a boost of essential minerals directly to your teeth. These minerals help strengthen enamel and contribute to a healthier mouth. Stay tuned as I guide you through each step, explaining why we choose each component and how it contributes to making this toothpaste not just a cleanser, but a vital part of your dental care routine. Let's get started on this journey to healthier teeth, naturally. Here I have my organic extra virgin coconut oil. Benefits of extra virgin coconut oil in homemade toothpaste. Natural antibacterial, fights bacteria that cause cavities and gingivitis. Antifungal and antiviral, helps maintain overall oral health. Natural and chemical-free, free from artificial additives. Hydration, keeps the mouth and gums hydrated. Pleasant taste, mild coconut flavor. Natural whitening, removes surface stains from teeth. Reduces bad breath, effectively combats bad breath. Anti-inflammatory, reduces gum inflammation. Continuing, here I have this high-quality sea salt, and the reason for choosing this type of salt is that it is rich in minerals and has a delicate texture, making it ideal for replenishing the minerals in your teeth. Rich in minerals, Fluoride-free contains a variety of minerals. Adding Fluoride-free or sea salt to homemade toothpaste is important for the following reasons. Remineralization, rich in minerals, it helps to strengthen tooth enamel. Antibacterial properties, aids in eliminating harmful bacteria in the mouth. pH balance, helps maintain a balanced oral pH, preventing cavities. Gentle exfoliation, provides effective cleaning without damaging tooth enamel. Stimulation of salivary glands, increases saliva production, which is essential for oral health. I will also use white clay, also known as bentonite clay, which is rich in calcium. Advantages of making homemade toothpaste with bentonite clay. Detoxifying, removes toxins and impurities from the mouth. Remineralizing, rich in minerals that strengthen teeth. Gentle and non-abrasive, cleans effectively without damaging enamel. pH balancing, helps maintain a healthy oral pH. Natural antibacterial, fights harmful bacteria for oral health. Inflammation relief, reduces inflammation and soothes gums. Here I have peppermint essential oil. It is very refreshing and good for maintaining fresh breath. In homemade toothpaste, you can use the essential oil of your choice. However, be careful not to overdo it, as it can be strong and cause mouth irritation. Add it gradually and with moderation. The benefits of peppermint essential oil in homemade toothpaste are incredible. Refreshing, provides fresh breath. Antibacterial, fights harmful bacteria. Anti-inflammatory, reduces gum inflammation. Analgesic, relieves mild toothaches. Here, I also have clove essential oil. The benefits of clove essential oil in homemade toothpaste are wonderful. Natural analgesic, relieves toothaches and gum discomfort. Antiseptic, fights bacteria and prevents oral infections. Anti-inflammatory, reduces inflammation in gums and oral tissues. Antifungal, prevents and combats fungal infections in the mouth. Here I also have baking soda. This is food-grade baking soda, so be careful not to use baking soda meant for cleaning. If you're enjoying these tips for making your own homemade toothpaste, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share this video with your friends. Very okay. Baking soda is important in homemade toothpaste because it helps balance oral pH. This is crucial for neutralizing acids, reduces acidity in the mouth, preventing enamel erosion. Preventing cavities, a balanced pH makes it difficult for bacteria that cause cavities to grow. Freshness, leaves the mouth feeling clean and fresh. Remember to use food-grade baking soda. You can also add vegetable glycerin. Add vegetable glycerin, which is safe for consumption and helps keep the toothpaste more liquid. Add 1 tablespoon or more, depending on your preference. Since I don't have vegetable glycerin, I will use a fluoride-free toothpaste as an alternative to add more volume and foam while brushing. However, it's up to your preference. I like to use this toothpaste, but if you don't have it, vegetable glycerin is an option. I'll leave a link to find this toothpaste in the video description. After showing the necessary ingredients, I will then show how to make it. I will add approximately 100 grams of bentonite clay. This clay is very good for making homemade toothpaste. I'll leave the link in the video description. Now I will add a tablespoon of fleur de sel sea salt. Next, I will add a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix the dry ingredients well. Here I have extra virgin coconut oil. I will use the oil in its liquid state, so I will melt the oil first. I will add about 80 grams of coconut oil. Now that my coconut oil is in a liquid state, I will mix in about 5 to 10 drops of peppermint oil. You can adjust according to your preference. I prefer to start with 5 drops and then add more if needed. There are various types of essential oils on the market today, and you can find more or less concentrated ones. I will also add clove oil, which is an excellent antibacterial agent. I will add the same amount, 5 to 10 drops of clove oil. After mixing the liquid ingredients, I will then mix everything together. You can see the texture is very liquid, but often the clay mixture can harden and form lumps, so you can add vegetable glycerin and even a bit of distilled water. In my case, I like to add fluoride-free toothpaste to complete the mixture. It lasts a long time and keeps my teeth very clean and free of bacteria, besides boosting remineralization, which is very important for oral health. Now I will mix in half a tube of fluoride-free toothpaste, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of fluoride-free toothpaste. My toothpaste will have a firmer texture according to my preference. Making your own fluoride-free homemade toothpaste, you will notice how clean and strong your teeth become. Ingredients like fleur de sel help to remineralize and strengthen your teeth. It's well worth it, even when made at home, as you control the ingredients and avoid unwanted chemicals. Tips: storage: transfer the toothpaste to an airtight container. If the mixture is still too thick, you can add more water or glycerin as needed. Additional tips: store in a cool environment. Keep the toothpaste in a cool place to prevent the coconut oil from solidifying. Stir before use. If the paste becomes thicker over time, stir well before each use to ensure the texture remains consistent. Using a few drops of propolis in homemade toothpaste is an excellent tip. Propolis has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties that can help to fight bacteria, reduce the growth of bacteria that cause cavities and gum disease. Soothe inflammation, relieve inflammation in the gums and oral mucosa. Promote healing, accelerate the healing of small wounds in the mouth. Strengthen oral immunity, improve the mouth's resistance to infections. Adding 3 to 5 drops of propolis to your homemade toothpaste recipe can provide these additional benefits naturally. These tips and adjustments should help create a homemade toothpaste with a more liquid and easy-to-use texture. Benefits of not using fluoride toothpaste: less risk of fluorosis. Avoid dental fluorosis, a condition that causes white or yellowish spots on the teeth due to excess fluoride. No harmful chemicals, reduces exposure to potentially harmful chemicals found in many commercial toothpastes. Ingredient control, allows complete control over the ingredients, using only natural and safe substances. Sensitivity prevention, can help reduce dental sensitivity, as some fluoride compounds can contribute to sensitivity in some people. Avoid systemic health problems, minimizes fluoride intake, which in excessive amounts can be associated with health issues such as thyroid dysfunction and other hormonal imbalances. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. Here on the Very OK channel, we share lots of information, health tips, and healthier recipes. See you next time. Thanks for watching.